It's all right now, but only a few years ago, the man who was head of the Manhattan Project, the Anglo-American program which, during the war, produced the atom bomb, he was pilloried before Congress for his doubts. Dr. Robert Oppenheimer no longer makes bombs, and he is now their opponent. He's found his academic haven. He is head of a marvelous and richly endowed institution called the Institute for Advanced Studies in Princeton, New Jersey. He is left alone in his institute to work and think and write and to help other people do the same. And no more is asked of him.
Well, if we look at the decade ahead and what to expect in science and of science and because of science, I suppose there's no floor to the gloom that we could allow ourselves. I think I would rather speak of what we can hope, what is reasonable to hope, and what is worth working for. One thing, surely, we'll learn more about nature than in any other 10 years of human experience. We may learn, I think the chance is good, something almost definitive about matter, the nature of matter and its order. This may be part of the present effort. We learn of the birth, life, death of stars and galaxies, and about space perhaps, which we can't travel into, but can see and hear. We learn more about the nature of life and something about ourselves. This, I think, will be the biggest explosion and have the greatest import for our views and for the quality of our life. I hope that these 10 years will see a growing effort to transform the world and the relations between states and their functions, to exorcise the unprecedented dangers of modern warfare. I hope that these 10 years, especially in the West, perhaps most especially where we need it so much, in America, in my country, that we will begin to re-knit human culture and bring the insight and the wonder of the world of nature, as science has revealed it, into relevance and meaning for the intellectual life, the spiritual life of man.